In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new ticket in Zendesk. If you're new to Zendesk or looking to refine your skills in managing support requests, you're in the right place. Creating a ticket is fundamental for tracking communication and ensuring a smooth process for handling customer queries or issues. Let's walk through the steps to make this as straightforward as possible. First things first, you'll want to start by logging into your Zendesk support account. It's essential to ensure you're logged in to streamline the ticket creation process, as all your actions will be recorded under your account. Once you're in, look for the +Add button, typically located near the top of the interface or in the sidebar, depending on your specific setup. Click this button, and you'll see the option to add a ticket. This is the gateway to entering the details of your customer's request. Now, you'll be directed to a form that you'll need to fill out. The first field you'll encounter is the Requester field. Here, you have the option to select an existing user from your database, which can save time if they're already a customer. Alternatively, if they are reaching out for the first time, you can simply enter their email address. This is crucial as it identifies who the ticket is for and allows them to receive updates about the progress of their issue. Next, you'll want to provide a subject. Think of this as the headline of the issue, a short, concise description that quickly conveys the gist of the problem. For example, login error on website or issue with recent order. Keep it succinct but informative. Following the subject, it's time to dive into the description box. Here, under the Public Reply section, you can elaborate on the details of the issue. This is your chance to gather as much relevant information as possible, including specifics about the problem and any pertinent background context. Feel free to add attachments as needed. These could be screenshots, documents, or any files that help clarify the situation. The more comprehensive the description, the better equipped you'll be to address the issue thoroughly. You also have the option to assign additional ticket properties. You can choose the status, whether you want to submit the ticket as new, open, pending, or even solved, depending on how your team manages their workflow. Think about assigning a priority level as well, whether it's low, medium, or high, and categorize the type of issue it is. If you have team members handling specific types of issues, you can assign the ticket to them directly, ensuring it ends up in the right hands. Finally, once you've filled out all the necessary fields and ensured the information is accurate, it's time to submit the ticket. You can choose from Submit as New or another status like Open, Pending, or Solved, whichever aligns best with your current process or team workflow. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new ticket in Zendesk, setting up a pathway for effective problem resolution. Remember, taking the time to input comprehensive and accurate information can greatly enhance the efficiency of your support process. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. See you in the next video.